Good morning, class 6. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the 12th video lecture of the chapter Separation of Substance. Today we have to discuss exercise. So, one by one I will read the question, I will answer it, and you will solve accordingly. First question: why do we need to separate different component of a mixture? We need to separate different component of mixture to obtain substance in pure form. First point. Second point, to remove undesirable substance, and third point, to obtain desirable substance. Give example. To remove undesirable substance, we can give example. We can remove the pebbles or stone from the grains with the help of hand picking. To obtain desirable substance, we filter we strain the tea to remove the tea leaf and obtain tea. Okay, and to obtain substance in pure form, we perform distillation to obtain water in pure form, that we call distillate. Okay. Next question is, what is winnowing? Winnowing is a process in which we separate lightweight substance matter from the heavyweight matter. Where do we use it? We use it in separating husk or chaff from the grains. Okay. How will you separate husk or dust particle from a given sample of pulses before cooking? We can blow air, or with the help of winnowing, we will blow air, and we will, with the help of wind, the lighter particle, dust, and the husk will fly away from the pulses. What is sieving? Sieving is a process in which we separate desirable substance from undesirable substance on the basis of different in size. Means separation of the substance with the use of sieve is called sieving. Where it is used? We use this on the construction site to separate stones from the sand. Okay. How will you separate sand and water from their mixture? Sand and water from their mixture, you can do first sedimentation, go for decantation, and if still some suspended particle is there, we can go for filtration. Or simply we can say sedimentation, allow loading, sedimentation will take faster, and go for decantation. You can simply write sedimentation and decantation along with loading. Is it possible to separate sugar from mixed with the wheat flour? Yes. If yes, how will you do it? We will sieve it. Means how you will separate sugar mixed with the wheat flour. Wheat flour that will come down from the sieve, चलनी से वो नीचे आ जाएगा, and the sugar will be on the top of the sieve. How would you obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water? We can obtain a clear water from a sample of muddy water by process called filtration. Method is there, you know, you have to expand and write it by your own. Fill in the blanks. The method of separating seed from the paddy from its stalk is called threshing. When milk cooled after boiling, मतलब दूध को गर्म करके उसको ठंडा कर लिए हैं, it is poured into piece of cloth, उसको एक बर्तन पे मतलब एक कपड़ा पे डाल दिए हैं. The cream, मलाई is left behind, means जो मलाई है वो कहाँ रह गया है? कपड़ा पे रह गया है. The process of separating cream from the milk is an example of filtration. Okay. Salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. Okay. The impurities settle at the bottom when muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket means insoluble impurities settle at the bottom. पानी को रात भर के लिए छोड़ दिए थे. The clear water was then poured off from the top. The clear water that was on the top, it is poured. The process of separating used in this example is called sedimentation and decantation. True or false? A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration? No. False. Milk and water you cannot separate with the help of filtration. The mixture of powdered salt means salt is also powdered and sugar is also powdered. Can be separated by the process of winnowing? No. False. Separation of sugar from tea can be done with the help of filtration. Means separation of sugar can be separated from the tea with the help of filtration? No. Wrong. False. Grains and husk can be separated with the process of decantation? No. Grains and husk are lightweight, that will float on the top, it will not settle at the bottom. So husk and grain cannot be separated with the help of decantation, so it is also false. So in true false, all the four are false. Next question. Lemonade is prepared by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. वो नींबू का शरबत बनाते हैं तो उसमें नींबू भी डालते हैं, पानी भी, चीनी भी डालते हैं और उसको बनाते हैं, उसको लेमोनेड कहते हैं. यू विश टू ऐड आइस टू कूल, हमको उसमें बर्फ डाल के उसको ठंडा भी करना है. शुड यू ऐड आइस टू द लेमोनेड बिफोर और आफ्टर डिजॉल्विंग शुगर. क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि शुगर को घोलने से पहले हमको बर्फ देना चाहिए, शुगर को घोलने के बाद हमको देना चाहिए. इसका आंसर छुपा हुआ है सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन, जिस दिन एक्सप्लेन किए थे उस दिन में हम आपको क्या बोले थे. आई टोल्ड यू विथ इंक्रीज इन द टेम्परेचर सॉल्युबिलिटी इंक्रीज, with decrease in the temperature solubility of the solvent decrease. सॉल्वेंट का घोलने का कैपेसिटी लोअर टेम्परेचर पे कम हो जाता है, हायर टेम्परेचर पे ज़्यादा रहता है. तो अब जैसे मान लीजिए पानी रूम टेम्परेचर पे है, लाइक इट इज़ अराउंड 25 to 30 डिग्री, हमको उसमें शुगर घोलना है और उसी को अगर हम उसमें बर्फ डाल देंगे तो उसका टेम्परेचर 7 या 8 या 10 हो जाएगा, टेम्परेचर कम हो जाएगा, तो शुगर को घुलने में ज़्यादा समय लगेगा. सो आंसर विल बी वी शुड फर्स्ट डिजॉल्व द शुगर, means we should add ice in the lemonade after dissolving the sugar. In which case would it be possible to dissolve sugar more? When we dissolve the sugar before adding ice, then sugar will dissolve faster compared to after adding ice. Okay, so hope everyone got this exercise. If still someone has problem, you can ask in the morning. Okay, thank you.